Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to backup and restore all bookmarks in Firefox browser. Click Library. Click Bookmarks. Click Show all bookmarks. Click Import and Export. Click Backup. Click Save. Backup completed. Click Library. Click Bookmarks. Click Show all bookmarks. Click Import and Export. Click Restore. Click Choose File to select the bookmark to restore. All bookmarks are restored successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.